have to be a very good liar. You are telling a story. You have to lie, and within that lie, you got to inject some of that truth in.
Yeah.
So we are not talking about real, we are liars. Now, how good are we, is the question.
Prasoonji, let's attack someone else.
It was the meeting of the musical minds and some genius directors at this music workshop at IFA 2012. Things started to heat up between Zoya Akhtar, lyricist Prasoon Joshi, Vishal Dadlani and Javed Akhtar over the lip-sync songs of the Indian cinema. Let's take a look.
Introspective songs that are talking to themselves, the singer is talking to themselves, what you may call loud thinking. That was always there, but a difference has come, and I'm not too happy about that difference. There was a time when the song was a part of the narrative, and sometimes it was a comma and sometimes a sign of exclamation. Sometimes it would be used to bring the situation down, mellow it, sometimes to exaggerate it. And it was used very creatively. Those people who were doing this were brought up on Indian poetry and Indian films. Now the younger generation, I'm throwing this question to these two directors, they are more influenced by the Western cinema. And somewhere they feel embarrassed about this genre of narrative where people are singing songs. I mean, there are different genres. There is kabuki, there is opera, where people sing and nobody says why this person is singing. So same way, we also have a genre. This is a genre. And by taking the songs to background, they are losing the USP of Hindi cinema. Today, the shelf life of music, film music, is shrinking. Why? You see, there is a difference they don't understand. There is a difference between the West and India. In the West, the music is for listening. Songs are for listening. I have gone to Europe hundreds of times. I have gone to USA hundreds of times. I have never seen a person walking on the street and singing, yesterday. I have never seen. I have never seen that. There are some, in every locality, in suburbs, in American suburbs, you'll find some groups, they have a garage where they make music and so on and so forth. But an average person is a listener. In India, all of us are singers. We sing. We don't want songs from music industry to listen. We want songs that we can sing. And this is what is not being provided. It is a fatal mistake they are making. By putting your songs in background, you are making them less important. You are losing your USP, and your song don't survive for a long time because the character is not singing it. And you feel that, oh, how can he sing? Then how can you have background music? In real life, there is no background music. When I say something, dun 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 dun, nothing happens of that one.
With all due respect, when you're a filmmaker and you're telling a story and your allegiance has to be to the film, it cannot be to the music album. Your allegiance has to be to how this fits in, how this works. I made a film called Luck by Chance, which was set in the film industry. And it had 6 songs, and only 2 could be lip sync because we are talking about people acting in cinema. Now, the 2 songs are about actors shooting, so they are lip syncing. I cannot have those characters singing in the rest of the film because that's the whole point of cinema. People go in there and they sing songs. So the rest of the characters could not start singing. It wouldn't make sense, it wouldn't work, and it wouldn't lift those moments up. So you make these decisions. When I did Zindagi, to me, I wanted Señorita to be a lip sync song. And there are 3 boys, they are in Spain, they are at a fiesta, they're drunk, and they start singing. And for me, I needed it to be in their voice. So I spoke to them and I was like, I want it to be drinking boys, it needn't be completely correct, but that's what I want. But I didn't, because this is where they let go. You know what I mean? And I wouldn't do that anywhere else in the film.
So this is becoming a bit intense. Now tell me, is it true that the boys did not know they were supposed to sing the song?
Of course they knew. I mean, I asked them.
I appreciate people who want to be realistic. But how can anybody in the world create instant poetry? Nobody. You know, this actor, hero creates everything in meter. You know, if, you know, that all...
1 second. You are talking about how film was. One
No,
second.
I'm saying when we take license there, that's
It's not
I'm saying-
about realistic. Cinema is not about being real. When you're making a film, it is about taking something you want to put across. You have to be a very good liar. You are telling a story. You have to lie. And within that lie, you got to inject some of that truth in.
Yeah.
So we are not talking about real. We are liars. Now, how good are we is the question. Yeah?
Correct.
But the point is how... if we are like, our tradition is this, and this is how films have to be made, we are not going to grow. We are going to be making the same film we made 100 years ago, which to me is very boring.
Great, but
Right?
when
How
we are
is
lying...
film going to evolve if we keep making the same film?
Prasoonji, let's attack someone else.
Sorry, who said Zoya was nice?
ठीक है यार, छोड़ देते.
Chill, Zoya. No, there's so much to say about this. There's so much to learn. Obviously, we have a tradition of lip syncing. Obviously, we've grown out of folk theatre, like Javed sir was saying, and Parsi theatre, and there the expression was singing, and that got graduated, translated into cinema. I'll just quote 4 songs. मेरा जूता है जापानी, ये पतलून इंग्लिस्तानी, सर पे लाल टोपी रूसी, फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी. We had just got independence. Everything was made everywhere else in the world. We wanted to build a India, but our heart was Indian. So साथी हाथ बढ़ाना रे, साथी हाथ बढ़ाना, एक अकेला थक जाएगा, मिलकर बोझ उठाना. There was this whole air of building the best nation in the world. But then there was disillusionment. Things didn't really turn out. This is not the independence we wanted. So there was disillusionment, which said कि जिन्हें नाज है हिंद पर वो कहाँ हैं, which then gave birth to escapism. आजा आजा मैं हूँ प्यार तेरा, and the hero started dancing. Believe me, before Shammi Kapoor, nobody danced. If it was a Bhangra situation or something. And till today, the hero is dancing and the heroine is dancing. And then गरीब को तो बच्चे की पढ़ाई मार गई, बाकी जो कुछ बचा था महंगाई मार गई. It was a definition of a period when there was escalation in prices, there was no job, there was emergency on the anvil, and so the expression of cinema was there. And then there was anger, so Rubaru was born. There was freedom, so Dil Chahta Hai was born. And they were again expression. So now the world is changing. We are again, the world is shrinking, is getting global. We need to tell our stories to the rest of the world. We don't need to. We need that business. As an artist, I want to tell my film. I want everybody in the world to see my film. Why just the Indian audience? I want the Japanese, the French, the Russian, the Americans to watch Hindi films. So here is what comes to me, and it's not very intelligent. I just feel it, and subconsciously I think, hey, a gangster and a police officer cannot sing. A streetwalker and a school teacher cannot break into a dance. I want to tell stories about school teachers and streetwalkers. I have grown up watching Indian cinema. I have loved song and dances. But something in me is saying that unless there is a definitive reason for lip syncing, like Genda Fool in Dili Che, because I have grown up watching my mom, my aunt, my nani, my dadi putting achar and papad and singing folk songs and bhajans. We all want to sing. We are all bathroom singers. But something in me is saying, and I could be totally wrong, but I could be right also.
The spectrum of emotions remain the same from sa to sa re ga ma pa da ni sa. Same way, you have a sargam of human emotions, and that is universal. And that is why you read poets who are 300 years or 500 years old or 600 years old, and you enjoy them. Good song, good lyric is universal. Good music is universal and for all the times and all the places. I'm happy that you want to show your film to Japanese or Americans or Italians or French, but you cannot show them your film by making their kind of films. You will be successful only if you make your kind of film.
Good point. Shantanu.
But honestly,
And your kind of films have at least 6 songs.
no, no. Films used to be 3 hours long. They were 3 hours long, and if they weren't 3 hours long, the audience didn't get the worth of the money they've spent on the ticket. Today, you're told it shouldn't be over 2. Why? Why have we reduced an hour of our grand narrative? Because we've evolved. Things change. We've reduced an hour of what we thought it was. Things change.
Song used to be 300 or 200 feet long. Now you have made songs 700 because you have to make your actors dance. So you have long interludes which are unnecessary. Have a song which is 3 minutes long, 2 minutes long. Depend on the words.
Let's bring you some more highlights from the fantastic workshop on music of Indian cinema.
The very first film that I did was Silsila. And now they had a tune and they used to sing on the O re nilima, O nilima, O re nilima, O nilima. So now I wrote one mukla. Hey, it's very good, Javed Saab, but sorry, I mean, it's not gelling with the tune like. Then I wrote another, and again this problem. And that was my very first film, so I had no credibility at all as a lyricist. I understood what is the problem. Nilima. These are N, L, and M. That is their problem. So I thought that come what may, I'll write something which will have N, L, M. And they'll like it. So I wrote Neela Asman So Gaya. This is fantastic. This is what we were looking for. The fact is, they have yet to know that they liked it only because of Nalama. That's all.
The workshop culminated on a musical note with some beautiful impromptu compositions.
Fantastic. They've done it especially for you. 1, 2, 3, 4. Give me the rock and roll. Give me the rock and roll. Super.
Faridun Shahryar with cameraman Tahir Sheikh from IFA Singapore for Bollywood Hungama News Network.